Good morning, everyone. Myself, I'm Suman. Today, I'm going to discuss about the topic topologies, which is part of computer networks. So, coming to the term topologies, it basically refers to the network which is connected physically. So, the components might contain the parts like servers, routers, computers, CPUs, and the connections between all of them. So now coming to the different type of topology. Basically here two or more devices are required to connect to a link. And for there are mainly four basic topologies, and in them, which I am going to discuss about two of them, which are bus and ring topologies. Now coming to a bus topology. In a bus topology, all devices are connected to a single central cable, also known as a bus. So in here in this diagram, we can say that this is a bus because it is a single cable which is connecting all the different stations present here. And the terms which we basically use here are dropline and tap. So dropline means connected to the bus cable by dropline and taps. So here are the stations. Basically a computer or a router, all the things can be uh, combinedly called as a station. And from this a dropline is passed so that the data can be transferred to the particular stations. And here tap means the point where the dropline is connected to a cable, like the bus. So the data is transferred from this side, any one of the side, and when the data is transferred, the required data from for this station will be taken through the tap. So this is the basic use of dropline and taps. So coming to advantages, this is simple and inexpensive to set up. So this basically requires a single wire which can be used to connect all the stations, and well suited for small networks with minimal cable. So another disadvantage is that we can add multiple stations anywhere, but the basic disadvantage which we are going to learn is that if the main cable, like here, this is the bus, right? If the bus at one point fails the transfer of data, the stations cannot acquire data anymore. So the point of failure is here. So we cannot acquire data by the stations from the bus because data is not transferring all the way around. So this is a major disadvantage of the bus topology. And another disadvantage is that we cannot add multiple tabs. Like if a bus is capable of adding 20 tabs, we cannot go further and add 30, 40 like this number of tabs. And if the tabs are increasing, like many number of stations are also increasing, then the heat will be generated so that the process will be slowed down as well. So this is a